What's up everyone? You're watching smashpop Unbox and I'm your host Jason. In this video we are going to unbox the Lenovo ThinkVision M14t, okay? The portable touchscreen monitor. Basically a 14-inch full HD touchscreen monitor which is ultra slim and ultra light, which we can carry it wherever we go. Okay, time to unbox this thing. Okay, so I'm actually very excited. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. So here's the star of the video. Can you see how thin and light it is? Wow! Weighing only 698 grams and 4.6 millimeter thin. No wonder they call it the portable display. Check it out. Wow! Okay, again, let's take a look at what it comes with. There is a USB-C to C cable, an active digital pen for drawing or note-taking, and an L-shaped dongle for better cable management, okay? Oh, it even comes with a customized sleeve, so you can easily put it in your bag without scratching the monitor. Okay, now to check the monitor itself, okay? Nice! So basically there is no need for extra stands because it has a stand at the back here and has height adjustment foot. There you go, height adjustment foot to make the monitor higher, like that. Ta-da! So there are two USB-C ports here. As you can see, there's one on this side and there's another one on this side for better connectivity and has auto rotation capabilities, so you can set it up any way you want. Okay, time to switch it on. One side of the cable I plug it to my laptop and the other side of this cable I plug it into the M14t, and then I just press power on. There you go. Okay, so instantly we get to see the screen of our laptop on the display here. So check out the on-screen display. We can actually customize everything here, and most importantly it has low blue light protection, okay? And it can be turned on by just tapping on the screen here. With this switch on, our eyes won't feel tired, okay, after staring at the screen for a long time. So the product details actually says that the M14t display has 72% NTSC color gamut and 300 nit of brightness, okay? So you get a clearer view whether you're indoors or outdoors. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's bring this outside and try it out.
The M14t adds touchscreen capability to your devices and to apps that don't originally support touch. Now you can touch every single button of the apps on your laptop. I can also zoom in and zoom out thanks to its 10-point finger touch function. And with the pressure-sensitive active digital pen, I can sketch precisely and take notes easily. It's amazing how these features improve my productivity. The M14t touchscreen monitor not only works with laptops, but is compatible with USB-C smartphones as well. You can even simultaneously charge your M14t and devices thanks to the cable. Now we can watch Netflix, YouTube, or play mobile games on the bigger screen anytime, anywhere.
So there there you go, the unboxing and first look at some of the features of the Lenovo ThinkVision M14t portable touchscreen monitor. Cool, right? I've never expected a gadget like this exists, okay? But after using it, I realized that it's something we all need for the convenience and productivity for work, from home and leisure. To know more, click on the link in the description below, okay? Now, if you like gadget videos like this, do click subscribe, okay? Subscribe to this channel, click on the red button below this video and share this video to all your friends. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram @smashpop. I'll see you in the next one. Yo!